So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can update the shipping information. So let's go here on shipping info, and you can see that there is a map, and every dot on the map has its own information about shipping option with air, ocean, and if you have FedEx into the air shipping option, you will have the FedEx logo. And let's say I take this one here, or let's try this. If you have FedEx and Liat, it will automatically detect the wording and put the two logos, FedEx and Liat. You have the same information repeated here in alphabetic order with all the destinations. And if I click on one of those, I will see the detail of the destination. So in order to change all this, we will need to go to this FTP program that I showed you in the previous tutorial. And you have entered your host, your username and password, and normally you should see here on the right hand side at the bottom window, these are architecture, homepage, shipping and suppliers. So if it's not already done, just click on the top left window. There is the architecture of your computer, and you just click on desktop. We're going to work from the desktop, and normally this should make appear all the files on your desktop here on the left hand side. So what we're going to do for the shipping information, we're going to double click on shipping here, and we have a file called shippingdestination.js, and we're going to need to drag and drop this file onto the desktop like this. And once it's done, you will see it here on your desktop, and you just need to right click on it, and let's open this with Notepad. So that's the most simple editor on Windows. And here we go. Normally if you open, you should get a list like this with all the shipping destination. And let's say today we want to add a shipping destination. It's very simple. We just need to copy one of those paragraphs, starting with this, ending here, and I just copy that, and I'm just putting that underneath, and I paste it. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have noticed that every paragraph has a different number here, and we ended up at 27 and we need to go 28. You just add 1, and those number needs to be unique. So just if you create a new destination, just add 1 to this number here and put it underneath. So in this paragraph we have several parameters we can set up, and you have to change only the text within these little things here. You don't touch this, don't remove those, because otherwise this would create a bug. But you can just change the text in between here, and same here for in air, you just change the text here. Ocean, you just change the text here. And you also have latitude and longitude, and that you can change the whole number here and the whole number here. Okay, so let's say my new destination is called AAA, and FedEx daily except weekend. Let's add the wording Liat, and the ocean, I'm going to leave it as it is. And unless you already know the latitude and the longitude of the new destination, you will have to use a tool, and I'm going to give you as well. Okay, so just in case you don't have the latitude or the longitude of a place, you can go on this web page I'm going to give you, and it's very simple. It opens on St. Martin, but you can zoom out and you will have an overview of the Caribbean, like this, and you just take this red arrow and drag and drop it anywhere you want. Let's say we're going to put our new AAA destination here in the middle of the ocean, and I just drag and drop my arrow around, and I get automatically the latitude and the longitude. So I'm going to just copy this latitude, and I'm going back to my text document, and I'm going to just enter the new latitude here. I just passed, and same with the longitude. Copy, and I passed it here like this. Okay, so once I'm done with my new destination, I need to go here, File and Save, and I can close that. and I go back to my FTP server, and from here now I have my shipping destination on my desktop. I just need to drag and drop it here on the server again. It's going to ask me for a confirmation because we are overwriting the existing file, and I'm just going to confirm that. Okay, and now if I go back on the website and let me refresh my cache memory just in case, and I go back on the home page. Let's click on shipping info. So now I have my AAA destination here, alphabetically ordered automatically in my list, and if I open it, I have my FedEx logo and my Layat logo because I have the Layat word here and FedEx. And same here on the map, I can see in the middle of the ocean I have this AAA destination, and that's it. So let's say now you want to remove the destination. You just need actually to open with WordPad, and I'm going to go at the very bottom, and I want to remove my AAA destination, so I just select it and I delete it, and then I have to save. I go on my FTP program and I drag and drop my newly modified shipping destination from my desktop to the server, and I just confirm the overwriting. And here we are. And now let's go back on the website and let me refresh the page. And here we are. So I can see that my destination starts with Anguilla, and I don't have any more this AAA destination here. Okay, back to this text file. I just put it back the AAA destination here, and I want to give you an example. If I don't put anything into Ocean, and let's say I'm going to remove Layat here, and I'm just going to save. So I didn't put anything into Ocean. I still have these little symbols here, but in the middle I have nothing. And I just saved my file, and I go back on FileZilla, the FTP program, and I drag and drop it from my desktop again to the server, and I confirm that. And if I go back on the shop and I refresh, I should see my AAA destination again. And here it is. And if I click on it, I only see the air option. There is no ocean option, and there is only the FedEx logo, no more Layat, because it's Layat. It's not anymore in the text, so the logo won't appear automatically. And another thing about this is same here. You can see my AAA destination. Is if we are shipping hazardous or oversized item, let's click here. It's going to sort out automatically my destination, and I won't see my AAA destination simply because it doesn't have any ocean option, because we left this field here blank without putting anything. Okay, so let me remove that again one last time, and I'm just going to save that, and I'm going to my FTP program, and I'm going to just drag and drop this on the server, confirm, and here we should be back to normal. If I click here, I should not see my AAA, except I have to once you've made these changes, sometimes the old JavaScript file stays in your cache memory, and to see the change you need to go into Tools, Internet Option, and you need to delete the browsing history, and it's going to delete your cache memory. And if you refresh the page, normally you should not see this AAA destination anymore. Sometimes it takes time to be updated on your computer because of this cache memory. So here we are.